Okay, this is my week 10 assignment. The Healthy Minds area that I am doing for this is gender and depression. I did pre-type some stuff out just because I'm having issues with Zoom and Aporto at the same time. So my question is there a correlation between gender and depression? My hypothesis, the null hypothesis, is there is no correlation between gender and depression. The alternative is that there is a correlation between gender and depression. I did go ahead and already enter my clean data, one into my Excel sheet, but two up into SPSS. So I'm going to go ahead and run descriptives explore. My dependent factor is gender, and my independent is depression. I want to, that's fine. I'm going to check all my settings. I want to plot for more normalcy. I also want the histogram, if it work, maybe. All right, looks good. Bootstraps don't really do anything. Okay, but we don't use it. Bear with me while it works. I will copy paste stuff after because I don't think it's going to run smoothly. And I don't want it to glitch. Oh. So I actually think I might want to switch how I did this. Just the test for normalcy. Oh. Okay, I'm going to do that again. So no, I'm not going to save. Analyze, descriptive statistics, down to explore. I am actually going to swap where I put these just to see. I'm going to get rid of the histogram right now. I want to know the normalcy, stem and leaf. Okay. Much easier. Okay, so I have no missing data. Right now, males score an average of 8.2. Females score an average of 9.9. Now, the one we care about is non-binary because they score a 14.7. On my scale, the thing we are looking for is those who score moderate to severe depression. Moderate is 10 to 14, severe is 15 plus. So non-binary individuals, already it's telling us score an average of 14.7, so moderate depression. Test normalcy. As you can see, it is all over the range. So we know we need to run a non-parametric test. There our lines are all over the place. As you can see. So I'm going to minimize this. I'm going to go back and do a crosstabs. So analyze descriptive statistics crosstabs. Okay, let's see if I can do this correctly. I want gender in the columns and I want depression in the rows. I want the chi-squared and the phi Kramers. I want to make sure I show clustered bar charts. I want the expected, and I want the percentage of rows, I believe. Okay. Format. I'm just going to check them just to be safe. We want ascending. Style, I don't think truly, yeah, it doesn't matter. So for this, and bootstraps never applies so far. So, okay. Thank you for bearing with me. So once again, our subjects, we had 1,025. We have 0 missing information. Looking at it, we found that we have a set number of individuals in each of our cross tabulations. This is what we're looking for. Okay, so in our Parson chi-squared, we see that there is statistically significant evidence when you look at our bar chart. It looks like there's a trend. There were a lot more females who participated in this study, but you can see that the pattern is pretty consistent with that of the males and that of the non-binary students. But according to our means, there was significantly statistic data showing that non-binary students and depression are correlated. The 14.7. Our p-value is less than 0.001, which is why I say it's not only significant at the alpha of 0.05, it is statistically significant at the alpha of 0.01, meaning that we reject the null hypothesis and we accept the alternative that there is a correlation between gender and depression. This information would be used in the section of significant statistics to be used in our presentation. Sorry, I didn't fully write it out, but I did cover it. So once again, the average mean for non-binary students was 14.17, which is considered moderately depressed, close to severe depressed, which is higher than male or female students. That is statistically significant on the alpha of 0.05%. And because our stuff was non-normal, we ran a chi-squared non-parametric test. We reject the null hypothesis and we go with the alternative that yes, there was a correlation between gender and depression. Thank you very much.